free versus paid domain and hosting. You have already learned the difference between local and server WordPress website. If you want to dive straight into web hosting WordPress installation, you need two important things. 1. Domain. 2. Hosting. Domain is simply a nickname of a complex IP address which is hard to remember. Let's see an example. Can you remember 31.13.72.36? Do you know what? This is an IP address of the website that you visit multiple times a day. When you enter this IP address on your browser, you will be taken to facebook.com, which is a domain name. Internet users need a domain name to access your website. But once they enter your domain name and hit enter, they will be taken to the server on which your website is stored or hosted. That is why you need a hosting package to host your WordPress website. Now comes the interesting question. If free domain and hosting are available, then why should you buy it? Well, free domain and hosting comes with their own set of limitations. They are best suited just to design a test website or to learn WordPress. They are not as fast as premium hosting. Moreover, you only get a subdomain in a free package. For example, blogspot.com is a domain name, whereas technology.blogspot.com is a subdomain. A subdomain is usually pretty long, hard to remember compared to domain, and it appears unprofessional. There are some free domain registrars like Freenom who offers free domain itself, but the extension is .tk, which means you will get your domain name as something like technology.tk. Furthermore, it comes with several rules and conditions. Freenom suspends your domain name if it has no content or if there are any copyright infringement, and there are several other terms and conditions like this. So, to conclude, you cannot rely upon these free domain and hosting to host your professional or main website. That's why we need to buy a domain and hosting. Well, regarding the cost, a common .com domain costs around $10 a year, and a starter plan in a well-optimized host costs around $36 a year after applying discounts. That's just $46 a year for an optimized fast website without any limitations. But if you're still interested in learning this course from a free web host, I will show you how to sign up for a free subdomain and a free hosting in the next lecture.